Hey Catherine, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I am shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. But we will go ahead and get started. The three things we'll be covering are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and that is going to be anything that you can see on your site here. That does include the words, but also the pictures, and what the pictures are saved as can all be considered content. So Google typically likes to see about 1,500 words on a home page of a website. So I would suggest adding some more content to your website, and that will also give you an opportunity to be able to add in keywords and key phrases that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for your services. You'd be able to integrate all of that into your content, and that will help you out a tremendous amount. And we will move on to the next thing, which is going to be backlinks. And I did just pull up a quick search here for cleaning services in your area. Typically, the first thing that you will see is a separate section up here at the top. It'll have a picture of the map for that area and a couple of listings. So the next thing we'll talk about are citations, and that little map pack area has a lot to do with those. So a citation is your business name, address, and telephone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, and anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in their business services and details. So you'd want to go out and see where your competition is being listed, and you would want to grab those listings for your business as well. But you also don't just want to stop there. So for instance, say that your top competitor has 10 directory listings. You would want to grab those 10, but then you want to add on to that, doubling, tripling, quadrupling the amount. So if they have 10, you want to get 20, 30, 40, 50 listings. That is going to help you completely dominate them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high on the maps. So next up, we will move on to backlinks, and that has a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful for you. You would want to get links from other cleaning service companies that send a link back to your site and that signal to Google that number one, you are a cleaning service, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique and powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. So I pulled up one of the tools that I use here and put your site into it. So for right now, it's showing that you have 4 referring domains, which is giving you 11 backlinks. But you're not getting found for any keywords, and it's not driving any traffic to your site. And just to kind of give you an idea of what we're talking about here, I did pull up one of your top competitor sites as well. So it's showing they have 20 referring domains, which is giving them 85 backlinks, getting them found for 106 keywords, and that's pushing about 17 people to their site per month. And let's see if we can look at the keywords that they're using. So we're looking for buyer intent keywords. That would be anything that someone is going to think to actually type into the search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. And we'll also pay attention to this column here. This number represents how many times this word or phrase is being searched for monthly. So let's see what they have. So these cleaners, Bridgend, cleaners, Swansea, these are buyer intent keywords because they're showing the actual industry or the service, and then they're actually showing the location that this company is trying to target. So it looks like they're trying to target a couple of different areas here. And as you can see, you can kind of use variations of the same phrase, and it'll still count as a whole new keyword for you. So Cardiff cleaners, cleaning jobs, domestic cleaners, Cardiff, home cleaning, Cardiff. So these are all really great ones to use, and they are ranking for these as well. So these are things that they're working into that content on their website, and Google is kind of crawling it. So when people are searching for these things, Google sees that it is on this company's website. So they're showing them in the search results, high on the search results. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. But again, you don't just want to stop there. Whatever they're doing, you want to do that, and then you want to far surpass that. That way, you're going to get on that first page of Google, but it's also going to make it to where your competition has an extremely difficult time even keeping up with you at that point. But that's really all that I have for you today, Catherine. I hope that this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us because we would love to talk to you about that. But thank you again for your time, and you have a great rest of your day.